Number 6, you're going to describe how you would prove that the ABCD is a parallelogram. Please include what triangle congruency you would use. Let's take a look here at A. We have a couple of things here. We have an angle right here that is given. Then we have a side here. Okay, so to get this, we have to get one more, and we know that CA is also congruent to CA using the reflexive property. So we can mark these here. This is going to give you another side. So you would prove this using side angle side, and that would work here. Okay. For B, we have an angle here. We have another angle here. And then we should also notice that the line going through the diagonal line that goes through this shape, CA, is going to be congruent to the other line of CA. Okay. And then we have the angle. Then we have the side. And we have the angle. So here we can prove it using angle, side, angle. All right. So that would also work. Side, angle, side. Right. Next, how can we get this? Well, we have an angle here. We have an angle here. Then we have this. This is interesting. I'm going to throw in some numbers to make our lives easier. So if this is 60, this is 60. This also has to be 60 because they all have this line. If we know that angle D from this end, the exterior, is 60, we know that this right here has to be 120, okay? Then, once we have this, okay, once we have this, it looks like we can write angle D plus angle A is going to be equal to 180. So we show that these two interior angles here are supplementary. The fact that we can show that it is supplementary, we can then prove that this is parallel to this, okay? Because this is the line, okay? And this is the transversal line here. And these two angles here are the consecutive interior angles. Once then, we can prove it. So there you go. That's how you would use C, using the interior angles are supplementary to prove that this triangle is congruent, okay? I think this would be angle, angle, and you can get another side. So if you want to use a triangle congruency statement, angle, side, angle would work for C. So there you go. That is how you prove these are congruent and make a parallelogram.